Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Fallin. The song is Fallin, the artist is TONI Braxton, and the choreography is VALERIE, aka V.I.P. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And also check out the choreographer. Here we go.
You wouldn't just let me walk out the door for no reason. For you to see the look. Maybe we've had too much, 'cause it's not our season. So I don't know why I keep falling, falling. Ain't no use in this darling. When you're telling me never listen, feelings wrong, falling. I don't say this too often. Sorry, I didn't feel. Keep falling in love, oh, every day. I keep falling in love, fucking with you in this way. Guess that's the bottom line. Ain't there more I can say? I keep falling in love, falling in love. Hey, everything that I've been fighting for ain't worth keeping. But space, my ego won't let me realize I've been baited. It's probably why I keep falling, falling. Ain't no use in this dark, no. You were telling me never listen, feelings wrong. So wrong. I don't say this too often. This is how I really feel. I keep falling in love, oh, every day. I keep falling in love, fucking with you in this way. Guess that's the bottom line. Ain't nothing more I can say. I keep falling in love,
And there you go, Falling. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.